These days, all over the internet, you see left and right advertisements where you're being promised that you'll get paid by the government for installing solar. There's even claims that the government or your state will actually pay for the install of your solar system, and 99% of the time this is complete bullshit. And great article here on the website all about this, tells you everything you need to know and how to spot these fakes. And in this video, I'm going to cover that. And the way it usually works, Facebook is no stranger to scumbag advertising, because Facebook itself is nothing but a bunch of scumbags. Remember that big, huge security breach back a few years ago where hundreds of thousands of people's private information was compromised because Facebook didn't give a crap until they were forced to give a crap? Well, they're still scumbags, and an example is a program like this. You click on this ad, it takes you to this page here, which tells you you're going to get paid to go solar, and you get a lot of blatant, flat-out lies. They're telling you whatever you need to hear and want to hear, because their goal of these websites is nothing more than to get your personal information. They want your email address, they want your physical address, they want your phone number. Then they can market you unendingly for solar-related products. They could sell your contact information to other companies. You're basically never going to stop being bothered and harassed by bullshit in your mail, your email, and in your mailbox. The best thing you should do if you want to find out if getting paid to go solar is possible or an option in your state, go to the power company, the company where you pay for your power now. My example, I'm in Connecticut, so it would be Eversource. Call them. It's that simple. I mean, if there's incentives by the government and the power company, or they're going to pay you to install solar, or they offer you incentives in any way, shape, or form for going solar, they're going to tell you. Give them a call, ask them. Don't waste your time with advertisements you see online. But I'm going to show you how this generally works. You answer these questions, and it doesn't matter how you answer these questions. Whether you answer yes or no, I guarantee you, you're going to qualify. Because remember, these scumbags, they just want your personal information and your money. So I'm going to give, I'll give my ex-girlfriend's address. I'm only kidding. I didn't really put her address in there. There. Now they have all the information they could possibly want. Now, why do these companies do this? Why are there these scumbag companies like this? Very simple. There is no shortage of affiliate programs out there when it comes to solar power these days. There's always has been on affiliate networks like ClickBank, but now more than ever with everything going in electric. And here's ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is a huge website that merges together people who want to make money selling other people's stuff online and people selling stuff online. And I typed in the ClickBank Marketplace Solar, an unending list of companies willing to pay you, and these are the types of commissions they pay. So, and there's also cost per action affiliate networks where people will get paid $2, $3, even $5, sometimes even more, just for getting your email address. Okay, so these scumbags who make these bogus websites making these fake offers about solar in your area, they're affiliates for these types of networks. They get paid a lot of money, and that's why they tell you what you want to hear. Again, to avoid these scums and avoid getting scammed, funny, scummed and scams both begin with SC, contact your power company directly. They will direct you to the best way to save receive money and where to go. Don't click. You want to click on ads and provide them false information like I just did for ha-has? Go ahead and have some fun. But please, for your own sake, don't give these pieces of crap any information about yourself. That's legitimate. I'd recommend going to this page here, adviceand.solutions/48, and this is going to tell you everything and anything you want to know, including some tricks to determine if any of these companies offering you money for going solar are legit. I can guarantee you most all of them are not, so you don't even have to waste your time. But if you want to investigate any of these companies to find out and confirm for yourself they're scum, this shows you how to do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hoped I saved at least one person from being hurt by these scumbags.